So this home was built in 1920. It's a federal-style home. I'm sure you've noticed the beautiful wraparound porch.
Yes.
And something that I think you guys will find interesting is that it was a multi-unit property that they've converted to one single-family home. In that multi-unit, they shared one kitchen.
Love that.
She'd love it. She'd be like, what's for dinner?
That could work. That could work. Get in there, guys. Have fun.
Hello, 1920s house transformed into modern, clean, beautiful.
And the minute you walk in, you just see this big, beautiful open space.
Yes.
And you notice the coffered ceilings?
Nice coffered ceilings. And how about these floors?
Wow, you know, usually you're the one looking up and I'm looking at the floors.
A little reversal there.
It is, but I do love these floors. And you know they're cherry. You see this little bit of a wave?
Yep.
They're made to look like that. It's made to look like a craftsman was taking his planer and planing them by hand.
Yes.
To give it that real rustic kind of old look.
I'm sure back in the day, 1920s house, this was a bunch of little rooms. All right, leads us into this gorgeous kitchen.
So this was the formerly shared kitchen. You know, if I had a kitchen like this, I don't think I would share it.
I'm sure the shared kitchen was probably smaller than this one.
It probably was. But look what they've done. I mean, quartz countertops.
Yes, very nice quartz.
You know, and also they streamline the lighting, which I really like.
You know, I don't gravitate towards kind of modern lighting like this, but it really fits in this space.
It really does.
And this, you know, palette of grays and that tile, which is glass and marble.
And that's what I like is that you've got your quartz countertops and it blends right in with the backsplash.
Let's see what else is on this floor. All right. First bedroom.
So keeping in mind that this house did have like separate little units, with this outside door here, I'm guessing that this was one.
I think you're absolutely correct.
So this must be half bath.
No, it's a full bath.
It's a full bath.
So this would be great for a rental unit, Airbnb, or mother-in-law suite. But it's also good because you can age in place in this home, right? And live on one level.
Right. That's what's nice.
That's great.
Okay.
All right, so
Downstairs or upstairs?
let's go up.
Sounds good.
I love this staircase. It is so wide.
Well, you know what I love is the metal railing. We haven't seen much of that.
That's that industrial modern look.
Does get
I
that
dig
industrial.
it. All right, well, drawn right to this.
Oh.
Bathroom number 2.
You know what I love in here?
Yeah.
The fixtures, and you know I love those rain shower heads.
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
And I like the detail. Nice
So this must be, oh, it's
Main
good
bedroom?
size. It must be
Yeah.
the owner's bedroom.
Yeah, it must be, because it's front of the house, big room,
They carried the cherry flooring all the way up. Lots of natural light.
double closets. Bathroom number 3.
I'm glad you're keeping track.
Alrighty, so owner's bathroom.
Ooh, I gotta try this out. Oh, don't you just love that? Doesn't it look like a gentle waterfall?
I love a good faucet.
But you know what I really like?
What's that?
Is that when you walk in the morning, you don't have to see yourself like at 6 a.m. There's no mirror.
Okay, the mirrors haven't been installed yet.
So are you keeping track of all these bathrooms?
Yes, like 17. No, that's 3 bathrooms.
Okay, so here's bedroom number 2.
No, number 3.
3.
Number 3. Nice size.
Yeah, closet.
I like this hallway as well.
I know, it's like a little hidden passage
It's like you're going into
somewhere.
a suite here.
Oh, isn't this cute?
Oh, this is my favorite room.
Dibs.
You can't call dibs if I can't walk in and say, oh, this is my favorite room. It's
Okay.
But this has a really cool vibe. These little windows, it's like you're up in a treehouse.
Well, it feels like this little hidden nook that's all yours. I bet this is bathroom number something.
Yeah, 4,
Okay.
5, I don't even know my... Oh, watch your
There's a
step down. We had to put a little warning tape on there, like, be careful. when
Okay, this is not the bathroom.
It could be a bathroom.
It
It's
could,
so big.
but
Actually,
what a great storage area.
yeah.
Just watch your step.
Watch your step.
Okay.
All right, one more level, all the way down to the basement.
Okay, bonus room.
Nice, finished. Ductwork.
Hey, you know why they call it ductwork?
Why?
Because you had to duct to go under.
That quacks me up. Okay, good room, TV room.
Yeah, but you know it does go on.
Yeah, and you know, I like this because it smells new. You know, it doesn't smell like it's a 100-year-old basement.
That's true. Should we go find Shalisha?
Let's do it.
Okay.
Hey, guys.
Hey.
What a house.
Did you love it?
Oh my gosh, you nailed this one.
Could you tell that it was a multi-unit? They did so much work.
No.
Maybe just with the mother-in-law suite, it has a separate
With a
door.
separate door.
All right,
Yeah.
so we have 4 bedrooms,
Yes.
4.5 baths,
Yes.
single-family detached home, Southeast DC with 2 parking spaces in the back. Fully renovated, top to bottom. Christine, I'm gonna give you some more time to think.
Thank you.
John, I'm gonna let you go first.
I'm going to put in a firm guess of, and it could be anywhere and around. You know, when I was a kid, I'm going to put in a firm guess of $750,000.
$750,000.
This house is worth that, if
Got
not
it.
more.
Okay. Christine?
All right, I feel the pressure. You know, I don't want to let you down, but I really don't want to let him win. So I'm going to do a listing price of $725,000.
$725,000.
Yes.
Christine, I really wanted to give this to you.
Did I win? Does that mean I won?
John, Anacostia loves you.
I know it does.
I don't know what you did or why Anacostia loves you so much, but she didn't love you enough. Thank you.
Okay.
The list price for 1334 T Street Southeast is $739,000.
Oh, okay.
Well, I still love you, Anacostia.